Shane was in Iowa. He had arrived at the easternmost point of his journey across the western United States and was ready for the journey back. While in Iowa, Shane picked up his cousin Wesley to be part of the trip and the vlog in its final act.
Get rid of all the bubbles that are clinking around.
Shane did not know then that not everyone would be making it home. Oh, and it's July 12th. Alright, fellas.
Yo,
What's up? This is Wesley.
what's going on?
There you go. That's your introduction.
Welcome to the Wesley leg of the trip.
That's
baby.
right. We're going to Kansas City today.
Kansas City.
That's our first stop of the Wesley leg.
Her love is plain to see as she walks to me, happy as can be. She keeps this heart on beat. Love the way she walks, love the way she speaks. Happy all along, singing to the song. Let me take you for a moon ride. Let me take you for.
Peace sign for day 2. We are heading to Arkansas.
Yeah, dude, so we're leaving Kansas City.
We're gonna camp out in the National Forest.
Yeah. So where are we going? What's the name of the National Forest?
Ozark National Forest in Arkansas.
Let me take you for a moon ride. Let me take you for a moon ride. It doesn't hurt to try to let this boy be nice. Take you for a ride. Show you love that's right.
And these states are just flying by these days. Missouri, Kansas, Arkansas. We're headed to the forest.
We do the
Who knows what awaits us there?
nature.
Nature.
Danger.
Inevitably.
Potential danger.
Potential danger, potential nature.
Yeah, we're not definitely going to find nature. We might not.
Acorns, oak trees.
What's in Arkansas?
And what's an Arkansan
Are
mean?
oak trees just like
Arkansan
what all
tree.
the trees are around here? Seems to be
There's
honest.
a willow tree right here. Who knows what we'll find?
God damn it. Remarkable.
Your eyes attract the stars, the ones you cannot see. But only I can tell what we both can be.
Bang. All right. Wesley, what do you think?
Yo, we are in the forest.
So, all right, what's the move? Walk me through it.
Well, we got some Fireball.
Oh, okay. I was talking about that part. You're going to go in these woods.
Yeah. My hammock in the woods.
I'll be in my truck.
And I have a bug net, so I'll be safe from the bugs.
I probably won't be, to be honest.
Yo,
We're out here in nature. We're out here in the Ozark National
Ozark
Forest.
National Forest. Whoa, huge bug.
Huge bug.
The very minimal amount of money that could be required as
Yeah.
one individual to live in a way
Yeah.
that makes you happy to live.
Well, like you were talking about, don't go into debt. You were harping that.
I want to be the champion of not going into debt. I did without even knowing why, just kind of following the stream of the culture, believing in myself that I was smart enough to go to college, right? That narrative. And there's certainly a lot of value in education. But there's also value in a lot of experience, and to think that college or school is one of the ways that you need to go get educated right out of the gate, I think just can push us into being a student at a time when I wasn't personally prepared to take that on, and you're the same way.
True that. Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
We know this.
What about you?
Well, I mean, like, if we're still talking about money, for me, I would just, like, kind of, like, well, let's walk back. I'm hot. I don't think money is a big concern for me, mostly because it doesn't seem like it's totally entangled with happiness or, like, success, even. I want to be happy in my life, and that's the main thing, and I think as long as I have enough money to where that's the case, which can be a pretty low amount for me personally. I mean, like, I can live in my truck. As I've been doing the last month, could do that. That could sustain that for a while at least and save money perhaps. You know, I don't think there's a super high bar, like financial bar to happiness.
Yeah.
Yeah. Forest, Ozark National Forest. There she is. Oh, my hand is in a spider web. There's the spider.
Whoa.
Right here. Right here.
Let me take you for a moon ride. Let me take you for.
Yo, you like the banana? Come get it. Come on. It's really good. This way. Oh, yeah, no, you got it. Did I, like, try to knock it out with this? I don't want it in my truck.
I don't know, dude.
Arlington, Texas. It's not Dallas. It's different. It's in Texas. We're in Texas.
Yeehaw!
Really, that's what I'm trying to emphasize, is that we're in Texas. Yeah, we spent most of the day in Oklahoma today.
Yeah.
So
Oklahoma City, the
Yeah.
capital, and we're about to grab some good old-fashioned Tex-Mex.
all right,
That's
chilling.
good. Are we heading south? Are we heading west?
Let's figure it out.
Austin's kind of calling out,
Really? Yeah.
but it's so.
Wait, yo, it's
so
right by San
south.
Antonio. No, fuck that. It's right by San Antonio, like the Gulf of Mexico.
Oh, the southern coast. Oh,
But that's
Dude, we'll be so-
even further south than San Antonio.
we'll be so close, man.
Well, okay, how far is it to Corpus Christi? I mean,
Dude, Gulf of Mexico. I've never seen the Gulf.
I have once, but I was like 8. That doesn't count. Yeah, I've never seen it either, for all intents and purposes. Texas Day, bro. Texas Day, one of several.
We're gonna go get a car mount for
Oh.
Shane's dashboard. It's gonna be legit.
It's gonna be a magnet.
Pure magnet, smooth.
You'll see.
Grip.
You'll see.
It's been a long year, as far as I can see. I could use a vacation.
I'm applying the sticker. It's no longer an Apple phone, it's a
No longer an
Scotia
Apple
phone.
phone.
Alright, hey, okay, ready? Whoa, bang.
Bang. All right, this is the next phase of the road trip.
Yeah, look at this. Okay.
Cameras looking at it. Cameras on an infinite loop.
Forever.
Forever. I've always loved to have a beverage and
You're in luck.
and converse with people.
Wow.
Makes it not just feel like
Yeah.
you and me standing alone staring at each other talking.
Yeah.
If we're both like
No, totally.
drinking a coffee. Let's go get a coffee.
Whenever I'm at parties, I just drink like an obscene amount of water because I usually start with just a glass of water and I'll
Yeah.
just forget I'm sipping it so much and I'll just go and refill it because it's weird to not have something to sip.
Yeah.
Because then you just stand there with your hands at your sides. Like, what do you do? But when you have, like, you're just like, oh, breaking the conversation, it's all right. I was about to take a sip of my drink
Yeah.
anyway.
Yeah.
Still I don't know why I'm always putting up a fight when I'm so damn tired from working overtime. If I can't get into heaven, I best be revving my CJ7. Now ain't that the lie? Ain't that the lie?
My friend Stacy is letting us stay with her tonight on her air mattress.
We're gonna stay.
Stepping into the morning,
Say anything you want.
Welcome to Austin.
There you go.
my sunglasses on. My head's a little weak from drinking all of these nights
Shut up. Don't even look at me.
alone. If I can stay out of trouble, maybe the death of me.
What's up?
We are in Austin still. Been a long time in Austin.
Had a great
It's been a good time.
20 hours, maybe? We might head up and hit up the Davy Crockett National Forest.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Perhaps. I don't
dude.
know.
I'm kind of just feeling the Davy Crockett National Forest tonight and Corpus Christi tomorrow.
Are you?
I am.
But I was branded as a comedy rebel with a tattoo at 15, and still I don't know why. I'm always putting up a fight when I'm so damn tired from working overtime. If I can't get into heaven, I best be revving my CJ7. Now ain't that the lie?
We are in the Texan wilderness.
We're really deep in the Davy
Really deep.
Crockett National Forest.
Davy Crockett.
We're in Houston County.
Keeps rolling me by. 2 kids in a white. My Miss American Pie.
Davy Crockett.
Davy Crockett's been treating us well.
He's been good to us. He's been a good host.
So Houston's
Yeah, okay.
right south of us.
Let's bring out the map real quick. Let's show him the map. So I also want to see where we are.
It's here,
That's Davy Crockett National Forest.
and then right down here is Houston.
Oh, there's Houston. And then Corpus
And,
Christi's down by the water there. Somewhere.
Houston up here, and we're headed all the way down to Corpus.
Perfect.
I see the sun when it shines, and others I might only see. And I've ignored all the times that you might have wanted something to do. I've got my heart on backwards. I spend my only days with you. I've got my dreams standing tall. I wonder if she has a clue. Sometimes I wanna know what you're thinking about.
Yo, I know it's hard to recognize when we leaving Davy Crockett. Peace out. But we could say bye We done had a lovely time every day that we chillin'. This is the only way. The one road driving, only one at a time. Only hours tick by, and we always say we've been moving, but we sitting still. We are on our asses, but I know it's hella chill. We've been smoking hella weed, but don't tell my mom. I'm telling you, cause she's alright though. It's chill though, but it's like technically like, look, this is illegal shit. Wherever we are, the laws are very fucking different. Some places I can walk in with my debit card and purchase an ounce on an iPad. But here I can have a fucking dime bag. And I get thrown in fucking jail.
Speed limit is 50, right?
Who knows?
Yeah, I thought it was 65 this whole time.
Yo, we
Oh, it's 'cause we're entering a town.
tender to the population 337. If you want this, it's something that you could have, but you gotta make a few choices to help yourself out. That's all we ever really do is help ourselves choose a place to make a new choice, right? It's just like, because I made this choice, bang, now we have a new set of opportunities to choose from. Simple, this is what life is. Can you learn how to live it your way? But don't tell other people how to live it your way. So fuck you for doing that. We all live differently. And a lot of the tension of this world has come from one party thinking they know better and trying to fucking Fire Nation, right? In Avatar The Last Airbender being
Bro,
like,
that's always your go-to.
dude, it's just fresh on my mind.
It's
Fresh
going.
on my mind. I want to bend all the earthly elements, and I can bind my intention with some skills. And that's true even without bending. Yo, if we need to go to Zion Cemetery and give worship to the past humans that lived here and now they're buried forever. So now, like, bro, come on, someone could have been frolicking in a field right here, dude. Like, you've been dead for 200 years. Come on, bro. Like, buzzkill. Boo. That's how I feel. Like,
I was about to
and
go
I'm
frolicking.
right, because it's not a field, though. It's a cemetery.
Right, you can't frolic through a cemetery.
Can't
That's
frolic
not a
through
good
a
look.
cemetery.
No one likes that.
And, yeah,
I'm gonna get gas right here.
perfect.